How to change the name in FC Mobile. I'm going to show you how you can change your name on FC Mobile. There's currently no way to change your username once you've created your account. Your username is permanent. If you want to use a new username, you will have to create a new EAS FC Mobile account. Heads up that your game progress and past purchases on your existing account won't transfer over to your new account. To create a new account, you will need to first delete and reinstall the EAS FC Mobile app on your device. If you choose to delete EAS FC Mobile from your device and you haven't linked your game to a personal account, your current account's username, game progress, and past purchases will be lost. If you choose to create a new EAS FC Mobile account, your game progress, data, and purchases won't transfer over to a new account. Even if your existing account is linked to your EA account, Facebook, Google Play, or Apple ID,